everyone, I am Manasvi Sharma of class 10.
And I am Aniket Thakur of Anchal International School, and we both welcome you to our school's news channel.
Today we are here to present some glimpse of the activities that have taken place in our school recently. The students of class 10 of Anchal International School, Chandigarh have showcased a remarkable execution of the hard work with a laudable 100% result in CBSE Board Examination 2025. This was possible because of the continuous efforts by the dedicated teachers and by taking extra regular classes and other remedial measures to prove them. Gunjan Thakur triumphed the board exams with an impressive 96.2% marks, followed by Rohan with 92.4%. Both Kashish and Azad got 92% marks. Jashan, Arushi and Shreya scored 91.6%, 91.4% and 90.2% marks respectively. We are proud to announce that all the students got their first division. Proud to say that 2024-25 batch of class 10 of Anchal International School, Chandigarh have brought laurels to a school by their remarkable achievement.
Anchal International School, Chandigarh celebrated Labour Day to acknowledge the efforts of Class 4 employees. The students celebrated Labour Day to pay respect to the Class 4 employees working in the school. The employees were given chocolates, beautiful cards, and flowers as a mark of respect. The event was designed in such a manner so that to forge a better understanding of the labour community among the students who must learn to respect and appreciate their efforts.
Our school celebrated National Dengue Day on 16th May 2025 to spread awareness about dengue prevention. Some eminent people from the health department came to share some valuable information. Students also expressed their thoughts on how to keep the environment clean and avoid mosquito breeding. This was a meaningful event which encouraged everyone to stay alert and stay healthy together.
An anti-drug awareness program was conducted in our school on 17th of May. Inspector Chiranjit Lal, SHO, Police Station, Sector 39, Chandigarh, and Advocate Gurtapinder Singh Tillon, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh, along with Assistant Sub-Inspector Harish Pandey, in charge Samavesh Keni, Police Station, Sector 39, Chandigarh, were invited as chief guests to inform and create awareness about ill effects of drug and alcohol consumption. Advocate Gurtapinder Singh Tillon gave a motivational speech informing students about the impacts of drug abuse, and Inspector Chiranjit Lal stated that the youth of our nation is the largest force for it, and it must be led to a positive way for a healthy and holy living of them. An anti-drug campaign was also organized in our school, and a rally by senior students to promote awareness about the ill effects of drugs was also there.
Our students participated in Grand Dance Competition Jhankar 2025 at Tagore Theatre, Chandigarh on 18th May 2025. All the participants were excited and energetic and performed their dance moves with poise. The first position was secured by Vaishnavi of class 5th in duet performance. Mannat Meher of class 4 won third prize, and Nitya Ali of class 5th won special prize in solo dance performance. Ivan of class 1st won special prize in solo dance performance. The students of Anchal International School, Chandigarh secured first position in group dance performance in the junior category and a special prize in senior category. The principal, Dr. Shivangi Rudra B, congratulated the winners and appreciated the performance of all the children and encouraged them to participate more in such competitions to enhance their talents.
The students of Anchal International School participated in 5th Hani Taekwondo Championship held at Sports Complex, Sector 56, Chandigarh on 18th May 2025. Anvi Pathania won gold medal in sub-junior category girls speed kicking and Parthi and Vans Sharma won silver medal in speed kicking under boys category. Vihan and Saraspreet bagged silver and bronze medal respectively in purely under 35 kg. Mohammad Zisan got silver medal in purely under 32 kg. Arjun Yadav won the silver medal in Pumse category. The principal ma'am felt incredibly proud of the students' great accomplishment and congratulated them on their great achievement in that prestigious championship.
Our school conducted safety mock drills for emergency situations. Students were taught how to stay calm, follow instructions, and move to safe shelters in case of unexpected situations. Practicing these steps help reduce fear, prevent injuries, and save lives during real threats.
The Tiny Thoughts of Anjal International School celebrated Red Day with great zeal and enthusiasm. The dress code of this day was red. Both the students and teachers came in red attires. The motive of celebrating Red Day was to teach children about the significance of red color and how to recognize it. This was done through many playful activities and like drawing, coloring, origami, and paper craft, etc. This activity allowed the children to understand the red color and it also developed fine motor skills in them.
The summer camp 2025-26 was organized by a school for the kids of age group 3 to 10 years. The camp aimed at keeping the students engaged and provided them an even platform to explore and express their creativity in any form. They not only made memories while having fun, but they were also able to face their fears and try new things also. A very special segment catering the interest of the children included a variety of games, pool party, excursion, and the special attraction was the House of Horror. The tiny tots were able to make new friends amidst lot of laughs and learn team spirit. The summer camp was earnestly appreciated not only by the participants but also by their parents. Thank you.
you.